welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have something different, like a dance song here, and I like sometimes some challenges to cover something on guitar that is not like a guitarish. And this time we have Mike Williams' song called When the Sun Is Gone featuring RYVM. So alright, let's do this one. We have different chords here, but first we need to set our capo here on the 4th fret. Yeah, and with that we're gonna go over the chords. First one will be E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be the D, but with an F sharp in the bass, so that is second on E, muted A, I lean my finger on top of the A, then open D, second G, third B, and open E. Then we have G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Sometimes we have the third B, this time open, because we want that note, and then the third E. Then we have the E minor 7 here, but with the B in the bass, so that will be second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Then we have C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the D. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so the chord progression here for this song will be E minor, then the DF, then G, then the E minor B combo there, and then the C, then go back to the E minor B combo, and then C again, and then you finally play the D. And that is the chord progression through the entire song. Okay, so you can play like I showed you in the introduction of this tutorial, with downs up, or you can just go to play one down per chord. But then you need to feel the rhythm and get the right timing for the downs, okay? So I can show you the timing first, and then you can play at the strumming downs and up, so you understand why the timing come, how it does, okay? So the timing will be like this. So E, D, G, E minor C, E minor C, D, D, or just D in the end, okay? But you can play downs and up through the entire song like I started this tutorial, okay? So in that way you're gonna play this. Okay? So yeah, for you to get the right timing, it could be worth to go over the downs and up. And when you do that, when you get the downs and ups, then you will automatically get the right timing. So that is how it works. Okay, so grab that E minor. You're gonna play down, up, down, up, down for E minor. So then on the next up, okay, because you will go down, up through entire song here, or chord progression. So down, up, down for E minor. The next up here, you go the DF chord, up, down, and then you switch to G and play up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So far, E minor, down, up, down, then DF, up, down, and then G, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you switch to the E minor B combo and play up, down. And then you switch to C and play up, down, up, down. And then you play the E minor B again. Okay, in the same way. So up, down, and then you play C, up, down, down, and then you finish off with D. Up, down, up. Yeah, many downs and ups here. I'm gonna take you through this very, very slow so you can really see where we are changing the chords. So let's go. That is how one round goes, and that is actually how the entire song goes. Okay, so with some tempo, I'm gonna take it up a little bit, not maybe to the full standard tempo because it goes pretty fast, but just for you to get a little bit more feeling for how it would sound. So like this. Can take it to the next level, and with that I'm going to show you what notes to emphasize for each chord. So for the E minor, you want this open G string to be more emphasized, and for the DF chord that comes, you want the second G note to be emphasized. For the next chord, the G, you want the open B string to be emphasized. Sorry, this one. And that's the reason why we're having this open when it comes to the chord. Then for the E minor B combo, you want the third B string to be emphasized. For the C chord, you want the open E to be emphasized. And you're going to repeat that with the E minor B, the third B string emphasized, and the same goes for the next C, the open E string emphasized. And then you have the D in the end here. You want to play the second fret E string emphasized on first up, and then you play down, and then you end with the D again, and there you want to add the third fret E string. So on the up first time on the D, you go with the second E string, and on the last up you go with the third E string. So if I just play the chords with this emphasized notes, the melody will be like this. A couple of rounds of this. I stumbled on that one. Again, like this. It's actually much easier to play it with the full chords and the strumming. It will sound something like this. So that is how Mike Williams, When the Sun Is Gone, can sound with a guitar. So a bit challenging, fun to play, and that's enough for me. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Play tuned.